Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? And welcome back. A little cold out here tonight. I'm feeling like pizza. I was gonna cook outside, but I have been wondering. So a long time ago, I did pizza on the Blackstone propane model outside, and it took a couple tries to get it right. And I had to cover it with a pan in order to hold the heat on to get the cheese on top to melt. And I was thinking with the E series, now could you do a pizza on there? So on the way home, I stopped and picked up. You know how I love the Papa Murphy's, and I know this. I know it's not nationwide, but Papa Murphy's Take and Bake, some of my favorite. And obviously, with the cover down, will it hold enough heat in to cook a pizza? Obviously, I got to take the saran wrap off. Now it has a cardboard bottom that is meant to go in the oven. I think I'm going to leave that on there because I want to get that heat up there and get that top cooking, and I don't want to get the crust overly done. So never done it before, folks. Uncharted territory. So let's get her fired up and give you a couple look-sees, and let's see if we can do a pizza on the Blackstone E series. I decided to go for 425. I'm always a little confused on this area over here. So as those bars go over, it shows you how hot it's getting, but it doesn't, it's kind of like a gauge telling you how hot you are, but it doesn't really tell you. It would be nicer if this said that, like right now that it's 100 or something like that, so you knew exactly what it is. Other than that, I've done a bunch of videos with this thing, and it is everything that they say it is. It does get to 500 degrees hot. And that cooking surface, that non-stick surface, if you watched me do the sliders on there, breakfast sausage sliders on there, I was just able to use a paper towel and get the majority of the stuff off there, and it cleaned up. Well, you can see it cleaned up beautifully. So so far this E-Series is everything that they say it is. Let's keep on going here. All right, folks, I get people asking me saying, hey, Tom, does this thing preheat as fast as the propane models? And the answer is, I don't think it does. This has been about 10 minutes now, and I really want to build up some radiant heat in this cover. Obviously, we've got glass there, but let's just see what they're. If we shoot the aluminum right there, it's 250. Now let's remember we're set at 425. Let's shoot the inside. That's 10 minutes, and we're already almost at 450. So we are ready to put the pizza on. Oh man, I hope this turns out because I really want pizza tonight. All right, pizza going on. Remember, I'm going to leave that backing in there that's meant for an oven. I'm going to leave it on there, and then in the end, slide it off and let it crisp up a little bit more. At least that's the plan. All right, 5 minutes, and I just want to show you we are getting some meltage going on, so I'm feeling a little bit better about this. All right, 10 minutes into it. I apologize for the glare. It's coming off the glass, but you can see we've got a little bubbling going on there. Cheese is melting a little bit. I was hoping for a little bit better, but we'll keep on going here. Give you a couple more look-sees. Keep on watching. All right, about 17 minutes. I did turn it up to 500 degrees now. You can see on the glass there's some moisture, and you can see the pizza's cooking pretty nicely. I'd like to see if it can brown up, but I don't think it will. So what I'm going to do next is I think I'm going to shake off the the cardboard and get a little, just get a little crust on the bottom of the pizza. Well, did it turn out? It cooked a little bit hotter in the middle. So this area in here, you can see a little bit of black in there. So, but we've got nice brown there. Oh man, like I said, I want pizza, and that's oh man, I'll tell you what, turned out pretty nice. Turned a little hot in the middle there, so in the middle there it's a little burnt, but the rest of it is good. Like I said, first time on there. Can you do it on the E series? Yeah, from Blackstone. Yeah, you can. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.